Give it some berries.
You turn around like an old lady.
Throttle its fucking neck through.
You hear the echo through
Yep,
the
I hear the echo.
Fucking listen to that. Fuck, that was an echo. Fucking sounds like now. What do we say about that? That was good. That's something. Come up from behind us.
Up it, Stewie, up it, up
Come
it!
on, gun it, boy, gun it! Gun it! This is why Stewie's taking his time. It's not because it's a Kawasaki by any chance.
He's parked up the road waiting for the car to go through.
Yeah. 3 hours later and the white car will go through. Yeah, cheers, mate. Thanks for that, eh? Where are you from? Looks like Tasmania.
Victoria,
Or Victoria? That's actually a nice sound. Hear it? Coming back from behind. Does sound like there's a fucking bike coming from behind you, eh?
Yeah, sounds like there's bikes coming down the road.
Yeah, that's just a cop bike after us. From the fucking complaint that's been put in.
Probably.
God, how far back did he go that time? What, to the turn off?
Probably. It is, Stewie. Good run.
Yeah, might as well.
Is that blue flame?
Yeah.
My place in Casey down there, nothing to do with my chain, fucking dumped it a couple times, blue flame came out, Casey's like, woohoo, woohoo! And Ryan's right up, like, whoa! Nice one, boy.
How fucking much fun is it, eh?
That was a lot of fun.
Except when you fucking go past me,
Yeah.
out of me with all your fucking shit.
He got me in the braking area into that dipper through the creek. Fucking
Yeah, so when he runs away,
throttle its fucking neck through.